Hi everyone. So welcome to our lab for the circulatory system. So we are going to be doing a lab about heart rate recovery. The circulatory system, the heart is a big part of that. Your heart needs to be in order to keep you alive. And one of the ways that we measure your heart is how many beats it does every single minute. So that is called your heart rate. How many beats your heart beats every single minute. So the idea behind this lab is that we are going to be looking at your heart rate recovery. This is your body's ability to bring a heart rate that is elevated, usually due to exercise, and have your heart rate come back down to where it usually sits. So, for example, my resting heart rate, so the heart rate that my heart is usually beating at, unless I'm doing something active, is probably around 60 beats per a minute. However, when I exercise, my heart rate is going to be elevated to 150, 160, 170 beats per a minute. So we're going to be measuring the amount of time it takes your heart to get from like 150 beats per minute back down to 60 beats per minute. And I'm just using myself as an example for this. So if you are not a physical person, if you do not enjoy exercise, if you do not play sports, that is okay. We can still measure this for you. And in doing this, we're going to be able to learn more about how the circulatory system works. So before we even get started with the lab, I am asking you to look through this introduction section right here and just get you thinking about some of the vocab that we have been using for the circulatory system, as well as thinking about exercise and how your heart rate is while you exercise, and what some of the implications are in terms of how fast your heart can recover from exercise. So please, well, this is going to be the end of this video right here, but after you're finished watching this video, please make sure you are filling in the questions here on the introduction slide. Also notice there are some pictures over here for you to look at if you are curious. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be checking back in the next video.